If you've ever wanted to fly a drone, but felt like it was too complicated or risky, this new launch might actually change your mind. DJI has just introduced a brand new beginner-focused drone series, and leading the lineup is the DJI Lito X1, alongside the more affordable DJI Lito 1. The goal here is simple: make drones easier, safer, and still powerful enough for great content. So let's start with what makes this series interesting. Both drones are designed for beginners, which means you don't need any prior flying experience. They're lightweight, coming in under 249 grams, which also means in many regions you don't have to deal with complicated registrations or training. That alone makes them super appealing for casual users, travelers, or anyone just getting started. Now, between the two, the Lito 1 is clearly the more budget-friendly option. It still gives you solid features like a 48MP camera, 4K video recording, and smart tools like Active Track, which lets the drone follow you automatically. You also get obstacle sensing, so it can detect objects around it and help avoid crashes. For a beginner drone, that's already pretty impressive. But where things get really interesting is with the Lito X1. This is the premium model, and it feels like DJI is trying to remove almost every limitation beginners usually face. First, the camera is a big upgrade. You get a larger 1/1.3-inch sensor, which means better image quality, especially in low light. It can shoot 4K HDR video, slow motion at 100 frames per second, and even supports 10-bit color, which is something content creators will really appreciate if they want to edit their footage later. Then comes one of the standout features, LiDAR. Yes, the Lito X1 includes forward-facing LiDAR along with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. In simple terms, the drone is constantly scanning its surroundings in all directions and can detect obstacles more accurately, even in tricky environments or lower light. For someone new to drones, this adds a huge level of confidence because the fear of crashing is one of the biggest concerns. On top of that, both drones come packed with smart shooting features. You've got quick shots where the drone automatically performs cinematic movements like circles or flyaways. There's also master shots and hyperlapse, which basically turns simple clips into polished videos without you needing to edit much. It really feels like DJI is trying to make content creation as easy as pressing a button. Battery life is also solid here, with up to 36 minutes of flight time, and you get long-range transmission up to 15 kilometers, which is pretty impressive for drones in this category. The Lito X1 even includes 42 gigabytes of internal storage, so you don't always have to rely on memory cards. In terms of pricing, the Lito 1 starts lower, making it a good entry point, while the Lito X1 is positioned as a more premium option for those who want better quality and more advanced safety features right from the start. Overall, this new Lito series feels like DJI is trying to simplify the entire drone experience. Instead of forcing beginners to compromise, they're offering options where you can start easy but still get powerful features. And especially with the Lito X1, it looks like you can go from your first flight to creating professional-looking shots almost instantly. So if you've been thinking about getting into drones, this might be one of the easiest and safest ways to start.